welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be introducing you to the new HiMirror Mini that will be launching at BeautyCon LA this July. This mirror has everything you could ever think of in it as far as simplifying your everyday life and simplifying your beauty routine as well. So let's get right into all the features and all the apps that it's able to provide. So the best way I can describe the HiMirror Mini is like it's a mirror but a tablet kind of all in one. It is Amazon Alexa enabled. It can take your selfies for you. It can do try on makeup before you actually take the time to apply it to your face. It has a skin analyzer. You can listen to YouTube, Spotify. You can chat on here, which is something that I love to do using Facebook Messenger. It has so many apps and features on it. So let me go ahead and get right into it and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So one of the great features that the HiMirror Mini has to offer is the skin analyzer. So pretty much what it does, it tells you how your pores are, your dark spots, your dark circles on your skin. And if you've been using a new facial product or serums or eye creams or anything like that, this is a really great way to keep track of how the product is actually doing for your skin. So it's a great way to tell within a few weeks or so if it's really working, if it's really helping you out, or if it's not. It also tells you about any fine lines you may have, how your skin texture is, how your complexion is, and any wrinkles you may have as well. So for me, it's been a little bit of a challenge to just try and keep up with how products are doing with my skin, and using the skin analyzer. I really have the feeling once I get into the routine of waking up, doing my everyday facial, skincare routine, sitting down, taking my picture, because it does come with a camera, and really kind of get that process going on a day-to-day basis, I have a feeling that's going to help me out in the end with knowing what products are really working for my skin and which ones are a bust. A couple of my favorite apps to use are YouTube, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and just keeping up with the news. I really enjoy all of those because I don't have to have my phone out, my laptop out. Oh, and it also has Spotify. Duh. I don't have to have all these different things out, to keep up with what I need at the moment. I can pretty much sit down if I'm just hanging out with my son at my desk and look at a YouTube video just sitting here, or I can put Spotify on. It's so many endless possibilities, and that's what makes it amazing. So I really enjoy just sitting down and being able to access YouTube, because that is something that I love, of course, and flipping through channels and discovering new YouTubers and everything like that. And I like the fact that it's all in one place. Like I said, you don't have to keep up with your phone, your tablet, your laptop, all that kind of stuff. You have it all in one area, which is, we're always at the mirror anyways as beauty girls and skin lovers, so why not have everything that we use on a day-to-day basis combined all together. Also able to take selfies on your mirror and adjust the lighting as well, which is awesome because everyone knows it's not the easiest to get really great lighting. And if you're someone like me, I love to use natural light, and they have that option whether you want daylight, natural light, ambient. It really doesn't matter. So as far as your selfies go, I love the fact that the mirror has different lighting capabilities. For instance, if you want kind of like an outdoor type of light, you're able to get it. Or maybe if you're in a restaurant or an office building, you're able to pick what setting you want and then adjust the light accordingly. So I would definitely get my hands on the HiMirror Mini if you are able to. I really enjoy a product that simplifies my life and allows me more time for other things, like being with my family, hanging out with my son, getting messy with him, and potty training him at the moment, instead of worrying about if my YouTube is open, I got to get my Spotify, I've got to get all that kind of stuff. You're also able to share this mirror if you wanted to with someone else. So you can definitely add in another user, and maybe you and your sister, or you and your mom, or even you and your husband, who knows, could definitely share this mirror and keep track of both of you guys' skin at the same time. Definitely say this is a great mirror to have It definitely has simplified my life. It's simplified my beauty routine, and I am all for anything that will just make my life so much easier than what it already is. So like I said, this will be at BeautyCon LA. The price will be, I don't believe they have a price for it just yet. I will put everything that's in the description box. All in all, love this mirror. I think anyone would absolutely love this mirror. I think it's great for just your home office, your office maybe at work as well, or even as a gift. I cannot wait to see what else HiMirror has to offer us in the future. So that's it for this review, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.